is World Cancer Day. And the theme for World Cancer Day is United by Unique. And what it means is that all of us are unique in our own set of health issues and our set of backgrounds, but we are united towards one cause. And the cancer is the cause we are speaking about on 4th of February. And why? Because we know that cancer is treatable, cancer is beatable and preventable. And that's why we stand together to understand what are the awareness which can change the dynamics of cancer in our country. So, yes, we would want that if there's any patient who wants to just come for checkup, if they have a personal problem, personal history or a family history, they can come and meet us and the consultations will be free. Whatever test can be offered at minimum cost will be offered to them. So this is, I'm standing at the platform of SRB Agadi. And the walkathon is from Al-Amin Management Institute to SRB Agadi to highlight that we have a comprehensive oncology center, and not just oncology, oncology and hematology center. And our interest is to make more and more people aware that we are there in your vicinity, and please come and talk to us if there's any issue which we can address and we can bring forth the problem early on so it is curable. 500 people I expected, but I need to check the exact number. So it's a very interesting question. Well, screening as by design is done for common cancers. And the common cancers in our country are also the cancers which are most treatable. So when you look at common cancer, it is lung cancer, it's breast cancer, it's cervix cancer, it's colorectal cancer, head and neck cancer, which happens very common in our country. All these are preventable, and and there are some basic tests that if you diagnose them early on, they are curable. So we, yes, highlight on doing these screening tests, which are mandatory from certain age group for people who are either standard risk. Yes. No, 9 to 20. That's what I said. Yes. So these screening recommendations are from various age groups. For men different, for women different, for high risk different. But remember that this is advocated for everybody. In our country, it's opportunistic screening that I go and get myself checked. But it is not a part of routine free screening in our country at this juncture. But we really advocate screening at a very low cost. Sometimes some tests cost only 150 rupees, 200 rupees. They can be as cheap as that. So please visit a doctor and get yourself checked. It may cost you 100 rupees, 150 rupees, but it's really worth it. So finding out whether you have an early precancerous lesion which can actually prevent cervix cancer, just doing a clinical breast examination which doesn't cost a rupee can actually diagnose a breast lesion early on. Just getting your oral examination done and finding a tongue lesion which is very tiny and can be surgically treated, these can actually cause cure at actually hardly a cost.
Any women going to a hospital for any other illness, pap smear is become mandatory, so this is going to detect cancer early, even before it becomes cancerous. Pre-cancerous stage only will be able to identify. So anytime a woman goes to the hospital, they do a pap smear in many of the hospitals.
As we have been discussing since today morning, there are only two effective methods to reduce the burden of cancer. One is prevention, that is not to resort to habits like smoking, alcohol consumption, to maintain healthy lifestyle. That is number one. And number two is early detection of cancer. So as on today, there is no, in government hospitals we do routine screening for cervical cancer by doing a pap smear. But otherwise, outside, most of the times it is opportunistic screening, which means that when the patient, out of awareness, he comes and requests, then we do the screening methodology. But these are the two most important things to reduce the burden of cancer. One is prevention and early detection.
One more important thing I want to say is hygiene. Both personal hygiene as well as environmental hygiene is very important, because we are keeping our city very dirty and we are also not following clean habits. So it is necessary that we maintain our hygiene, personal as well as environmental, so that we can prevent many of the times some of the